We'll guide you through how to fix your iPhone camera having a black screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I've managed to fix this problem before, so let's get started. First of all, do just make sure there's nothing blocking the camera. If there isn't, then what you want to try doing is doing a restart on your phone. To do that, you press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then hold the power button. Sometimes it may just be a software glitch causing this, so restarting it should solve the problem. Keep on holding the power button until your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears. So keep holding it, and now let go and wait for it to start. And then go and see if the camera is no longer black. If you're still having problems though, then open up your settings and scroll down to General, and then scroll down to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And what may be worth doing is doing a full reset. So click on Erase all content and settings. Before you do that though, you may want to back up your iPhone to iCloud or your computer to back up your data. But try doing a full reset and then hopefully your problem will be fixed.